Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today also I came with one of the very interesting questions. As you can see here, the question is, it is asked to solve for x, and the question is here, x to the power minus x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power root 2. So if you want to try these questions, then just pause the video, give it a try. Whenever you are ready, keep watching. So let's start how to solve these questions. So what I have done here, I have taken inverse on both sides. I have taken inverse on both sides. So we can take a inverse on both sides, because as we know that if there is a is equal to b, then a inverse is equal to, it will be b inverse, because 1 by a is equal to, it's a 1 by b. Now if we do cross multiply here, then a is equal to b. It's coming the original conditions here. So we can take a inverse on both sides. Or now as we know that the power and power will be multiplied to each other, so we will multiply this to power, means this is the power, so power, and this is also the power, so power multiplied. So x to the power minus x to the power x into minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power root 2 into minus 1. Okay, or x to the power, now this minus and this minus will be plus, so x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power minus root 2. X to the power x is equal to, we can write to this that 1 by 2 to the power root 2, because it means 2 to the power minus root 2 means it's a 1 by 2 to the power root 2, and it means it's a 1 by 2 to the power root 2. Okay, so we can write to this that 1 by 2 to the power root 2. Now, or x to the power x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power root 2 into, because as we know that 2 by 2 is a 1, if we multiply this power with 1, then this will be this much only, so this will be root 2 only, therefore I have multiplied this power with 2 by 2. Or the next step, x to the power x is equal to 1 by 2 to the power root 2 into 2. So we can bring this power here, so 1 by 2 to the power 2, and we can write to this that to the power root 2 by 2, because as we know that this powers and this powers will be multiplied to each other, so we can write to this that root 2 into 2 by 2. Yes, power multiplied. Now, or x to the power x is equal to 1 by 2 whole square, means it's a 1 by 4, and to the power we have here root 2 by 2. Or x to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power root 2 by 2 means if we rationalize it, root 2 by 2, we can multiply this both numerators and denominators by root 2, then this will be 2 by 2 root 2, or 2 cancel, so it is 1 by root 2, as you can see here, 1 by root 2. So we can write to this that 1 by root 2. Or x to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 1 by root 2 means actually 1 under root of 1 by 2 means it's a 1 by root 2, because the square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 2 is same square root of 2, root 2. So, and we can write to this that square root of 1 by 2, and this means actually 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 means it's a root of our 1 by 2, and that is equal to it means 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. If we remove the roots, then we have to write in its power that 1 by 2. So I'm going to write to this that 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. or x to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. Again I have multiplied both numerators and denominators by 2, so it becomes 2 by 2. Now, or x to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 4 to the power. Now again we can bring this 2 as the power of 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 to the power 2, and it's a whole to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Because I have brought this 2 here, and it remains 1 by 2, and here also it remains 1 by 2. So now it becomes x to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 2 whole square means it's also 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means it's also 1 by 4. So we are getting the relations like this: x to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 4. So it means x is equal to 1 by 4. So this is our final answer. There is a one rule of indices that if x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2, then x is equal to, we have 2 here. So in the same way we have here x to the power x is equal to 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 4 to the power 1 by 4. So x is equal to, it's a 1 by 4. So this is our final answer. So in this way we can solve these questions. I hope you all guys have understood these questions and really enjoyed it. So please subscribe to my channel, share the videos with others. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.